Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I worked there for over a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I probably worked over 10,000 cases. I'm a national speaker, and yeah, I'm an expert in this. And today, by the way, as a former revenue officer, I work the offer and compromise program. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. So today, what I want to talk to you about is, will the IRS work an offer and compromise for my business? This is a real big topic. Everyone hears the ad, settle my debt for pennies on a dollar. But many people don't know the offer and compromise program is available for your business. It's worked a little differently. So today I want to talk to you. Like I said, I used to accept offers and deny offers. So when IRS is going to look at your business for an offer and compromise, they're really going to be looking at your business and at you. IRS is going to want both a business financial statement, a 433B, and an IRS individual financial statement as well, a 433A, 433 OIC. IRS is going to be looking very closely at a number really of things. They don't like to give one business an advantage over other. So the most important thing when you're considering an in-business offer and compromise is that you have been current in compliance really for a number of months. IRS, as an agent, I'm going to look very closely at two things. Well, really three. I'm going to look at your assets, what equity values you have in them. I'm going to look at your receivables, and I'm going to look at your income versus your expense ratio. I've got to make sure that I get full liquidity value of your business assets. I want to make sure you have just enough receivables to cover your month-to-month operation, and I've got to make sure your expenses are real tight. And they're going to do that on your individual financial statement as well. The base rule for offers and compromise for both in business and the individual is IRS will not take any less than the full value of your assets. If I look at your business assets and your personal assets, and your assets value $100,000, I'm not going to take any less, because technically I could go ahead and seize them. So the thing about the business offer is, understand they're going to look at that financial statement, but as a former agent, I'm really looking at your business expenses to make sure you're not flowing anything in there that you really don't need to do. And I'm going to make sure that your only expenses aren't personal, but they're truly business. So you can get these business offers and compromise through a lot of times I tell people, try and buy themselves. The business offer and compromise is really tough because you're asking for two financial statements in one, and they don't give them a lot. You really meet the criteria. You need to meet the criteria. Now, IRS spends a lot of time on the offer and compromise. It's just not, geez, just let me look it over. They're going to go through bank statements. They're going to go through transfers, what sort of assets you have, really finding out the full value. But the most important thing is that you're current and all your tax returns are filed and you're making an effort. They're also going to want to make sure your 1040s are all filed and you've been in compliance. This is a program that everyone looks at closely to make sure IRS has operated it correctly. So I don't know, maybe I file 5 of these a year, but they're very exacting criteria. So remember, IRS is going to look at your assets, your receivables, and your income to expense ratio. Like I said, once again, make sure you're current for a period of 6 months and all your returns are filed. I try to give you the information you need, the inside scoop. So YouTube values us by having subscriptions. So if you could give me a subscription because you like the information I'm telling you, that really helps me, or a like. If you have a comment and you want me to talk about something else, leave that and I'll probably make my next YouTube on that. So I appreciate your time and listening. I try to do these fast, get to the point, and get all the information I need to you. Thank you.